Question 4. The distance from town A to town B on a map is 3.5 centimeter. The ratio between drawing length and the real length is 1:250,000. The length on the map is 3.5 centimeter. The drawing length 3.5 centimeter. We have to find the real length. To find the real length, we have to do simple cross multiplication. 3.5 times 250,000 divided by 1 equals 875,000. 875,000 centimeter. To convert it into kilometer, we have to divide by 10 power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 8.75 kilometer. Thank you.